Good morning, Donald. And today is Donald's last day with us. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's today?
My birthday.
Your birthday
party.
Yes. Are you coming?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. It's a very rainy day. Yesterday, we got the most rain than we've gotten in 100 years. Today is Joy's birthday party. Her birthday was months ago, but it got canceled because of snow. So we gotta get this barn cleaned up and ready for her party. Braveheart is in there. Well, I'm keeping him separate from the goats right now in case they drop a baby at night and we don't know it, or until I can introduce him to Lucky. I just feed him this way. There's a door down in the stall, but that's the easiest way to get him fresh hay. Getting hay for mama goats. So today, oop, jump. Morning, ladies. Oh, she looks happy, but we do need to wipe her butt. Checking Flopsy. Ooh, okay, looks like we're having baby goats again. I'm actually really excited to feel that these ligaments are finally softening. They're still very much there, but they're really soft because she is 5 days past her due date today, which in the goat world is kind of like being 42 weeks pregnant. So she needs to have these babies. Good baby. Good job, Lucky.
Yeah, you getting used to being held?
Today is Donald's last day. We are giving him back to the people who gave them to us. And I did not realize how sad I was going to be about that until this day came. We've decided to get a flock of geese and have decided that Donald may be of better use at the Rhodes house because they have a Roman tufted goose that is laying eggs. So this way Donald can go and have a lady friend and mate and make Roman tufted geese babies. I'm gonna miss the sounds he makes. 1 second, okay? I'm really gonna miss Donald's protectiveness. He has been a really good guard goose, and I just love his personality.
What's cooking?
The garden beds. You know how like you come out to the garden to just do one thing, and then you end up being out here for an hour? That's what I'm doing.
Okay, cool.
I'm weeding, I'm getting other beds ready. I exposed weeds on a bunch of beds I'm about to plant and went ahead and burned them off. And then I'll burn them off again and then plant. And then I'm about to plant these. I'm just doing one last burn off.
Potatoes are finally popping up here. Beep, beep.
We have some asparagus for supper tonight. Milked a goat, made breakfast, nursed a baby, changed a diaper, and worked in the garden. But I still haven't gotten out of my pajamas yet. Did you get them?
Goodbye, garden, for now. We've got other work to do. I'm gonna miss that goose. Whapping a goat butt?
Yeah, it was.
It's Lucky's first time in the pasture.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep her out of the mud.
You can't keep kids out of mud.
You think I'd learn my lesson by now?
Mama's out of the barn. I'm sure she's happy to be out here.
They all are.
Look at that baby. Baby's doing really good. You're milking out every morning, aren't you? You're still milking?
And evening. Actually, I've been doing it 3 times a day.
Just to make sure she doesn't fill up too much.
Yeah, it's looking like it's starting to even out though.
Her udder looks good.
Yeah, it's actually, the side I haven't been milking out is more full right now.
Come on, goats! Hey, goats! Looks pretty. Birthday party? Hey, Bill. This looks like a place to have a Mad Hatter tea party or something.
Sorry, that one was kind of thick.
Rebecca has to leave, so I'm grabbing Donald. Donald is going home. Sorry for locking you in. So we're gonna catch Donald and say a quick farewell. This actually moment is pretty important to us because we're really gonna miss him. But we gotta take care of the baby goat. So we're just gonna grab him and send him on his way. Home, I guess. No home. Old home. Gotcha. You made that easy. He's like, no. Oh, ouch, ouch.
Oh, feisty Donald.
You have beautiful blue eyes and I'm gonna miss you a lot. Gonna miss you. Yeah, you can. Just a second.
Okay.
Hey.
Look, did
that hurt?
Did he hurt you?
Oh.
I've been attacked by him when I was scaring one of the ducks.
Those are some long
Except for
wings.
his teeth. His tongue is sharp too. Kind of.
Not the sweet farewell I was hoping for. You're kind of being mean. Goodbye, Donald. We will miss Donald. We're running down to the barn because in the middle of the party we had these baby goats, which that's going to be another video. It's just too much to edit, honestly, in one video.
Yeah.
Donald's gone.
I know. Like I am actually really sad. I miss him. I miss his personality. I miss his jerk faceness that he could have sometimes, and I miss his honking. But we're getting our own geese, so we thought our friends could use him because they have a goose that's laying eggs and they would like to hatch some fertile eggs out. Bye.
Well, folks, thank you so much for joining us to spend another great day in the homestead. Check out tomorrow's video, baby goats.
Super surprise birth.
in the middle of the party. Bye-bye.